Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert, and we are at the Conrad Hotel at Evermore in Orlando, and this is a family suite with a king and 2 bunk beds. Come on in. So first we'll start out in the entryway with a little kitchenette. It has a little bar you can purchase some items from, some other items to purchase, some coffee. And there's some storage in here. You can store some luggage. And over here you have the living room area, a large TV, a little table, couch with a chaise, and then you'll find the bunk beds over here. If you're entertaining, you can close these doors and it will look like these bunk beds don't even exist. And then there's also some storage here below. And then this area has its own bathroom with a shower, a sink, and a toilet. And then there are 2 doors. They do close. This one closes as well to close off the king area. This is the king, another large TV, and then this fantastic bathroom. The double vanity. A little room over here with the toilet. A fantastic tub. A large walk-in shower. And a huge closet. And then we'll walk out here to the fantastic little patio. And then this particular one has a view of the Epcot ball over there. And then a stunning view of the lagoon.